Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, and you can see the battle yesterday over the 2,500 area, the weekly pivot coming in, just underneath 99.60, 99.70, however you want to draw that out. You can see, I just want to hop right over to the live chart. I mean, the only takeaway here is you got the 9-day simple coming in at 2,500. You got weekly pivot here as well. I want to be buying dips above 2,500. I want to be selling rallies below 2,500. That's what we did in the chat room yesterday, and that worked pretty well for us. You can see when we talked yesterday, we were saying, we were short the 98 area. We were looking at weekly pivot 2,500. It spiked up to that off the open, and then straight down went and did 85. Did a slightly higher low, and then the bulls, the dip buyers are not going to go away. This is going to take, the dip buyers are going to fight whether we are tilted up, tilted down, or somewhere in between. The dip buyers are going to be there because the dip buyers have it ingrained to come in and grab that dip. So it pays very well to buy dips. And as long as we are underneath key areas like the weekly pivot in 2,500 and the pre-FOMC price like 2,504, it pays to sell rallies. So it was a nice two-sided day yesterday. And the bears, in my opinion, they let too much of it get away yesterday. We ended up closing right up around 24.98. They've done a pretty good job of defending it overnight. But unless they really can get back below, say, 94 and stay there, can break that Globex low and start living down here, you don't necessarily have to get a lower low today. If they can't do that, if we linger in 96, 97, right around the dotted line here, the daily pivot, then chances are we trade above 2,500 at some point today, and they make a run at 2,504. So the pressure for me is... So the pressure is really on the bears to perform. The bears have got to perform today. If not, they're going to start falling into old habits. We'll slowly convert the weekly pivot. We'll be above the round number 2,500. We'll start fighting over 2,504. And then at that point, the all-time high up at 2,507.25 is under real threat. And I would expect that to get breached and have a new all-time high by the end of the week. So today is going to be a really pivotal day for the bears. All right. So everybody have a good one. After the close, let's talk about this pivotal day for the bears. Let's see how it turned out. Myself, Tony Rago, talking about NQ, Spring Hill Jack from theartofchart.net, channelsandpatterns.com, the whole Princetontrader.com on the mic chat room team doing a webinar today at 4:15. We'll go for about an hour. We're going to talk about the markets. We're going to talk about the upcoming fall trading season. We're going to talk oil, gold, NQ, the ES. We're going to go over all of it. Come and join us. We still have some spots available, not a lot. So if you're listening to this, the sign-up link is attached. Use it. Get in there. We would love to meet you. Come and see what we're looking at for the fall trade. All right. I will catch everybody for a midday update. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.